This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 15: Information Hiding. Information hiding controls access to class methods and members through the use of modifiers in Java. Developers use access modifiers to implement this important concept by dictating the level of access permitted for different class elements. Java provides four main access modifiers. The default modifier allows access within the same class and package. Public allows access from anywhere, making the member globally accessible. Protected allows access within the class, package and subclasses, while private only allows access within the declaring class. Classes and methods without an explicit access specifier have default access, which means they are accessible within the same package or directory. However, attempting to access default members from a different package will result in a compilation error. The package statement in each Java file specifies the directory it belongs to, impacting the behavior of default access. The public access modifier is the weakest specifier, allowing unrestricted access to class or its members from any other class. If a class is public, its default members are also accessible globally. It's a best practice to maintain each class in a separate file for proper access control. Any violation of access specifier rules leads to compilation errors, not runtime errors. Private members can only be accessed within the same class where they are declared. Private classes cannot create objects or access members outside that class. A public method can indirectly access private data by acting as an intermediary. Declaring a constructor private prevents object creation for that public class. Although this practice is generally inadvisable for classes meant for instantiation. A protected member is accessible to subclasses in the same package or different packages. Protected members can be overridden in subclasses. Adhering to access rules. Attempting to override a non-subclass default method as protected will cause a compilation error. Packages enable organizing and managing large software projects by grouping related classes. The package is a core concept in Java that enables organized distribution of software code. Packages allow classes with the same name to coexist in different packages and be used outside their respective packages, facilitating code organization and management. In summary, information hiding is implemented through access modifiers, which control the accessibility of class elements. Mastering access modifiers is key to effectively applying this principle. The default modifier allows package access, public allows global access, private restricts access to the declaring class, and protected allows access to subclasses across packages. Packages facilitate organizing and distributing code in a structured manner. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.